Hello, my name is Louise and I'm here to tell you about our latest acquisition from my generator. It's the Dometic 140 CRX and it's a great little fridge because it can store for up to a week's worth of food. We love my generator because we live in the country, and the thing about my generator is they deliver their goods promptly and goods are always in good working order when they're delivered. The other special thing about my generator is that it's an Australian company, so you're supporting local jobs. Thank you.